day, everyone. Today, I will discuss Lesson 2 entitled TPAC as a Framework for Technology Driven Teaching and Learning. In this lesson, we will learn about the TPAC and some R models, how technology can improve teaching and learning, and why these frameworks are important for teachers. But before we proceed to our discussion, let me read first our learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, we are expected to understand the TPAC and some R models, use appropriate technology tools in teaching, evaluate technology integration skills, and apply learning theories and principles in lesson design. These outcomes help become more effective and creative teachers in a modern classroom.
What is TPAC?
So what is TPAC? TPAC stands for Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. It is a framework that combines three important types of knowledge: content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and technological knowledge. This framework helps teachers create engaging and effective lessons by balancing what to teach, how to teach, and what technology tools to use. For example, as science teachers may use videos and simulation to make difficult concepts easier for students to understand. So now, we discuss first the first knowledge. It is the content knowledge. So what is content knowledge? It is refers to a teacher's understanding of the subject matter. This includes facts, concepts, theories, and principles. Examples of content knowledge are mathematics, science, English, and history. For instance, a math teacher must understand formula and problem-solving methods before teaching students. Then, the second knowledge is the pedagogical knowledge. Pedagogical knowledge is the knowledge of teaching methods and strategies. It includes classroom management, lesson planning, assessment, and understanding different learning styles. For example, a teacher may use group activities, games, or discussion to help students participate actively in class. And the last knowledge is the technological knowledge. Technological knowledge is the ability to use digital tools and technology in teaching. Teachers should know how to select and use tools such as PowerPoint, Google Classroom, educational apps, and online quizzes. For example, teacher can use Canva to create visual presentation. So technology help makes learning more accessible and engaging for students. Now, let us discuss the combination inside the TPAC framework. PCK or Pedagogical Content Knowledge combines teaching strategies with subject content. For example, a science teacher using experiments to explain scientific concepts. Then, TCK or Technological Content Knowledge. It uses technology to improve understanding of content. Example is using virtual lab in science classes. Then, TPK or Technological Pedagogical Knowledge. It focuses on using technology to improve teaching strategies. For example, using online discussion boards to encourage students' participation. So, for the TPAC framework, when content knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and technological knowledge work together, they form TPAC. This means teachers balance content, teaching methods, and technology to create meaningful learning experiences. The main goal of TPAC is to improve student understanding, participation, and motivation. Now, we already know the TPAC model, so we proceed now to another model, which is SAMR model. SAMR model used for technology integration and education. It was created by Dr. Robin Pontedora. SAMR helps teachers evaluate how technology changes and improves learning activities. The four levels are S for substitution, A for augmentation, M for modification, and R for redefinition. So now, we discuss first the first level, which is substitution. At this level, technology acts only as a direct substitute without changing the activity. For example, students type their essays using a computer instead of writing on paper. The task remains the same, but technology replaces traditional tools. Then, the second level is the augmentation. Here, technology improves the task with added features or functional improvements. For example, students use spell check and grammar correction tools while typing essay. Technology makes the task easier and more efficient. Then, the next is the third level, which is modification. At this stage, technology significantly redesigns the learning activity. For example, students collaborate online using Google Slides or Canva to create group presentation. Technology now changes how students work and communicate with another. And the last level is redefinition. Technology allows students to create new learning experiences that were previously impossible. For example, students can publish their project online, create educational videos, or collaborate with learners from other countries. This level encourages creativity, communication, and global collaboration. For conclusion, both TPAC and SAMR are important frameworks in technology integration. TPAC helps teachers balance content, pedagogy, and technology, while SAMR helps evaluate the level of technology used in learning activities. Technology should always support learning goals and improve student understanding. So for the teachers, you should use technology wisely and effectively in your classroom. So that is the end of my presentation about the TPAC and SAMR model. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned the importance of technology integration in teaching and learning. Have a great day, everyone!